Hello! Today I'm gonna try something kind of new, cause it's officially that time of the year where I actually start feeling stressed out about exams. So I'm gonna study for exams for the next like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's probably gonna be most of the things I do. So I thought, why not stream it? Because I'm kind of addicted to streaming these days. And yeah, I can multitask, right? I have no idea how this is gonna go. I feel like it might either be like super distracting or it could actually help me a little bit. Like keeping me accountable, you know? I'm not gonna procrastinate and have like a 2-hour chat with ChatGPT about life or something. Because it's being recorded. So yeah, hopefully it works out alright. I'm a little tired today, as you can probably tell. I woke up at like... I didn't wake up that late, 11 I think. I'm trying to slowly fix my day-night cycle, but I don't think it's happening. And I'm kind of close to the point where I might be like, you know, fuck it, who cares? Because all of my exams luckily are like, they all start at like 15 or like 3 p.m. So it's not a huge deal. But yeah, I've got a little setup going on. I set up this like study scene. But it was pretty hard because for some reason there's no one in the world of Vardo has made a book model. And I don't have time to like make a whole Blender thing for it. So yeah, it's kind of like a random assortment of little props. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit so you can see it all. Look at that! It's my study rig. But yeah, I'm gonna use this tool called Pokemon right here. And also I'm gonna swap the music. Something a little calmer. This one. Yeah, I'm gonna use Pokemon. It's like a Pomodoro app that tracks how long you've been in focus and how long You've been out of focus. And I use it a lot, especially during exam season. And I'm gonna shut the fuck up every time it's like focus time. And then I'll take a break when it's break time. And I'm doing 30 minutes focus, 10 minutes break. Yeah, usually I do 40 minutes focus, but because it's live, I'll try 30 first and see how it goes. I wonder if anyone will stop by. There's a lot of channels, you know, dedicated to this stuff. But they probably don't show so much of the screen. But anyways, it's almost 2, so I should get started. I don't really know what I'm gonna do today, so that's probably the first thing I'll figure out. And yeah, I'll see you in 30 minutes. forgot to unmute myself. No, I've been saying so many things. Oopsie daisy. So yeah, anyways, it's break time. I don't really know what to do with that. I'm probably gonna get up and walk around a little. But before I do that, I feel like I should find something to like put on the screen. You know? Oh shit. Get the hair out of my arm. There we go, perfect. Also, I could turn on like the hand tracking maybe, but I think it's gonna break everything. Actually, no, it's kind of okay. No, it's not okay. Yeah, anyways, this shit I'm working on now, super hard. I don't like it. I feel like I'm getting more wrinkles in my brain trying to understand this shit. And it's the type of thing where it's like, it's probably obvious once it like clicks, but I can't. So yeah, I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break, and then I'll be back to study more. I wonder if I should like put on this thing, but that doesn't have the Pomodoro timer, so maybe I could just add the Pomodoro timer here. Where is it? Where is it? 10-minute break isn't a lot, but I feel like 30 minutes was like the perfect amount of time for me now. There you go. Pokemon. I love Pokemon. Big. There you go. You can have the URL at the top too. That's always nice. Alright, be right back. Alright. Let's also see actually if I can find some different music, because I'm kind of tired of this whole Christmas vibe. 4 minutes left, that should be enough. Let's duplicate this window. Boom bam bim. There we go. And then I'll pick this window, I guess. And then put the anime. No. What did I say? Anime. Put this on. Doesn't that look nice? Oh shit, 3 minutes. And then we do this. want to try putting on some like Mitski or something, because I wonder if they're strict about the... Oh my god, my hand. About the copyright. I don't know yet. But maybe it's too sad. Actually, let's put on this. Movement music. That's that good shit. Oh no. Oh. No, actually, they're gonna copyright the fuck out of me, so... Pokemon music? That's too sleepy. Try this one. They were so cool. Studying is so cool. Oh my god. And then we put it here so it doesn't break. Make it a little smaller. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at all the shit that's going on my screen. Again, let's just put this there. I don't have an alarm for my... Or actually, I do have an alarm for my break. Wow. Also, yeah, I don't know if I should have the hand thing, if it's gonna like interpret every pixel in my life as a hand movement. But it's kind of fun to have it, I don't know. Even though it's not calibrated too well. I think I'll keep it even if it looks a bit weird, just so you have some more stuff happening in the corner. It's like my intended way to view this is to like join the study session, but I guess that wasn't so clear based on the titles. So we can all study together and be focused, because whenever I try to study with people in real life, we just end up yapping so much. So I prefer to study alone. But on the internet, I can decide when to yap, you know? Do some of that. I can decide when to yap. Maybe I should call it like study with me, study with me. There we go, save that. Oh, I think I'm already over the time. There we go. Okay, time to focus. Meaning time to shut the fuck up and lower my microphone probably, I don't know. We'll just go right ahead. 30 minutes, start. ChatGPT. Hey, thank you for the follow. Hope you're having a good day. I'm gonna be in focus for another 30 minutes, but if you stick around, I'll chat in the break. happening with my hand. Two here. Holy fuck, it's freaking out. Maybe I should ditch the hand tracking, but it's so fun to have it. But it doesn't work. Oh well, 10 minutes left. We can do it. Study, study. Yay, we did it, finally. Oh god, was that only 30 minutes? It felt like ages. Osaki says, hey cutie, I've been pretty well, how about you? How are you doing today? I don't know if it's still around, or they are still around. But yeah, I'm doing good. I'm pretty tired. I'm tired but alert. So it's not, I'm having an okay time studying, I think. And let's put on a break timer. I think I only have a balance of 10. Whoops. Oh no, take a break. Yeah, I'm gonna do another 10-minute break. And then after that, I'll do 30 minutes of studying and then I'll do a longer break. Because then it's been 1.5 hours. Yeah, usually I prefer taking like 40-minute study sessions and then 15-minute break, but 30 minutes has actually been kind of perfect today. So yeah, Vivex Dev, hey, how are you doing? Are you also studying? Welcome. I'm trying to do like a Pomodoro type of thing where it's like I go into full focus mode and then I can yap in the breaks, you know? I don't know if that's a interesting thing to watch though, but it's nice for me. It keeps me focused. Now working on a hobby project. Ooh, what are you working on? For me it's like peak work hours. Everyone's at their jobs and I'm here studying for exams. Working on a workflow runner, just got integration tests running under both DIND and Indy, Docker in Docker, Podman in Docker. But I hit Docker Hub's rate limit. Oh, damn, that sounds complicated for a hobby project. Workflow runner. Podman in Docker. I've briefly used a Docker for like we're doing like a security subject, so we're gonna like quote unquote hack a website. Just around 6k lines at the moment. Oh, but what is it used for, or like what is the goal of your program, or is it just like to practice? Well, I didn't like any of the existing tools, huh? That sounds cool. I usually, like, I study computer science now, clearly, but in my spare time, I'm not like a huge computer wizard or anything. I just like video games. That's my whole motivation. I like to program for video games. But to me, that's kind of, it doesn't feel that technical, I guess. So yeah, I kind of feel like a normie when it comes to programming and stuff. But hopefully next year I'll have time to do more like hackathons and stuff, because I do want to build more like tools and stuff and not just a bunch of silly games. So the main goals are better developer experience and a good catching story for CI. Are you a student, or is this like outside of work? Oh, continuous integration. I see. So that kind of thing. Cool. Okay, now it's starting to take shape in my mind, the thing you're doing. I'm a student, but this is purely for hobby. Yeah, it sounds really useful though. For when you're like applying for jobs and stuff, it's probably super good to have this sort of stuff. But you've probably been working on some, what is it called? CDCI or something? On your spare time, if you care enough about it, right? Like, have you had like an internship or something? CICD. Yeah, my other project has a really complex test suite and the other tools for driving me insane. I see. Huh. Yeah, I've been trying to get an internship, but it's like 700 or 800 people applying for every single one, so it's hard. Yeah, that seems really nice. But it's surprising to me that if you're a student and you feel like the existing tools are not good enough, it's cool to look at that and just be like, yeah, I'll make it myself. What year are you in your studies? First semester of the first year. Oh, damn! You're far then. I've done this for a while as a hobby beforehand though. Yeah, that makes sense. I think a lot of people probably go that route. I didn't have a ton of experience before I started studying, but I know a lot of people who are developers, so it didn't feel too daunting to get into it. And also the whole game thing, but I feel like, I don't know, game programming is... You can get very technical with it, obviously, but with the game engines and stuff, I feel like it's not that complex. I feel like it becomes more about like system architecture and stuff, like managing your project and making a good structure for it is probably the harder part. But obviously, like, I've seen like Unity people go kind of crazy with the code, so you can go pretty hard with it. But yeah, it's fun. Hopefully your study isn't too easy for you then. I have one friend that started first year this year, but he's like a programming wizard already, so I think he's kind of bored. But yeah, I should probably go grab something to eat before my break ends in 3 minutes. So I'll be right back. Oh damn. Hey, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'll be right back. I'll just swap to this screen because it's like my BRB screen. Okay. I ate a quick yogurt. But you also stream Vivex, because you're a dev. I'll follow you back in that case, because it seems helpful to watch. I did a few years ago, but uni. What? But uni? What do you mean? I guess I can follow back regardless, just in case. It's always super helpful to watch other devs, I think. Even though it can be kind of hard to follow along, obviously. I haven't really found the energy time, yeah. I've also been kind of on and off with the streaming thing, but recently I've been like super into it because of this whole like VTuber shit. That's really motivating for me, because it's like usually I've fixed something with the model, or I tweaked something, or I set up a little scene like this, and yeah, it's just a lot more creative. I feel like before it's more like I had to rely so much on I don't know, talking and stuff. But now it's kind of like I can just create this little vibe, and it's fun. But yeah, this is kind of experimental though, this whole like Pomodoro stream. I don't know how it's gonna go. But I watch content like this sometimes. And yeah, now it's work time again. So I'll shut the fuck up, and I'll be back in 30 minutes for my long break. So that means I won't be reading chat, because I'm locked in, you know? Wahoo! Break time. I'm gonna do a long one, long break. It's 15:35. Maybe 25 minutes? I'll see if that's excessive. Ah, it seems a bit excessive, but you know. Time moves so quickly, goddamn. It's almost 15:30 here. Oh god. Oh yeah, and I should put on my little thing. And I should charge it too. Oh god. Oh god, duh. There we go. Does that look alright? Nice. Oh. Yeah, this topic is super fucking difficult for me. So far in my algorithms course, I haven't really had much issues with it, but this was the hardest one, I think. Quick sort algorithm. All the other sorting things have been okay, but there's a lot of parts moving around and stuff in this one, so I guess it makes sense. Yeah, probably been spending a lot of hours by now trying just to understand it. And then we have bucket sort next, and then I'll do radix sort, which is pretty close to bucket sort. And then finally I have to go over the complexity calculation with like P and NP. And then finally, or yeah, then I'm done going like through the curriculum. So from then on out, I can just start doing exam practice, which is gonna be nice. Yeah. This is how I always tend to do it. Just because I feel like I'm gonna miss like important parts of the curriculum if I don't. But it might not be like the most efficient method of studying. But it's alright. Let me see if I can find some new music actually. And also, yeah, I have to end at like 17, I think, so in 1.5 hours. Because I might be going to a party, but I'm a bit unsure. Because I'm a little dead today. Oh, I should eat some vitamin D too. Some vitamin. It's always hard to remember if I already took my vitamin supplements. And I'm like doing it twice, but I think I don't. And for vitamin D, it doesn't really matter because it's like, I think you can go pretty high above your daily recommended intake and still be fine. Oh, let me get a drink actually. Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprisingly not that stressed yet when it comes to my exams. But I should be, because it's one week left. My first exam is 1 week from now, and I haven't gone through the curriculum. Wait, are you Norwegian? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You can see it in my Norwegian notes. I'm doing like bilingual as studying. Oh, nice, damn. Maybe you got recommended the stream because of it. I can't believe you couldn't tell before now, considering there's so much Norwegian on the screen. But yeah, I really enjoy talking to ChatGPT, but I get so confused when he speaks in Norwegian. I don't know why. There's something about like the grammar, the robotic nature. To be honest, I woke up at 11 p.m. today. Me too. I woke up at 11:30. But this year it doesn't... Like, I do want to get a better sleep schedule, but it's not the end of the world this year, because every single exam I have is in like the evening. Oh, wait, 11 p.m. Oh, shit. Never mind. Oh, what? You woke up? Doesn't make sense. Does that mean you're going to bed soon? So you've been like, døgning? My sleep schedule is fucked. Yeah, sounds like it. I thought mine was pretty bad, because people keep making fun of me, because I go to bed at like 4:30 almost every day. And then I try to wake up. I tried to turn it around by waking up earlier, but I feel like even if I wake up earlier, I don't end up going to bed earlier. So I just end up sleeping less and less and less every day until I finally crash. Like yesterday I woke up at 2 p.m. But yeah, damn. But that doesn't sound too bad though, because at least you get a lot of daylight hours if you wake up like at midnight. Because my problem is, like, if I wake up at... Like yesterday when I woke up at 14, I went into my living room and it was already like sunset. So that was super depressive. I remember I was just so sad. Which isn't the best feeling to start the day with, you know? It's just like, oh, it's already over. I wonder if I should add some different tags on this. It's been fun studying like this though. I'll probably do it again next week. Hopefully start a bit earlier. Unsure if I should go to a party today, because I'm kind of really fucking stressed out. I might like completely burn out if I don't spend some time just chilling. I have too many projects going on at once, and they just keep stacking on top of each other. I also have a hard time like saying no to things. Not necessarily because of the obligation, just because I get like FOMO for everything. I end up stacking my schedule a bit too much, especially now in exam season. Okay, let me see. Tags. Hi, Kotfi? Kotfei. How are you? I'm good. I'm taking my long break now. for another. I did say, I think it was 25 minutes, but maybe I'll end the break a little early. But yeah, I'm chilling, studying. Yeah. A little stressed out, but not in like more of a like an existential way, not in like an adrenaline way. But yeah, how are you? Are you also studying for something or working on something? Nice-ish. Yeah. That's a good state. Oh, I forgot to take my vitamin. No, I don't study. I do code for work. I prefer studying though. Yeah. I never had a IT job before, so I wouldn't know how it's like doing this for work. But I've been doing like a lot of game projects and stuff. But that, I feel like that's also very different from a regular job because it's like such a crunch all the time. But I guess that it could end up like that at work too. No, it's an hobby project. I don't go to school yet, getting ready for it. Oh, interesting. So what kind of project is it? You're getting like ready before. I think that's a good idea to get kind of ahead before you start. Oh, sorry. Game engine? What? Are you making your own engine? Cool. I talked to some devs who made their own. So they're making like a physics-based 2D game. And it was really impressive that they did it from scratch, but I guess they kind of had to. It's game engine for making game engine. What? Oh. What? Damn. This sounds interesting. That sounds really difficult, even if you haven't, like, especially if you haven't studied yet. Game engine for making a game engine. I do code for a while. I know what I do mostly. Okay. That's nice. What do you have experience from before? Like how long have you been doing it? Where'd my hand go? There you go. ASMC Rust. I do code for 8 years. Since I'm 8. Wait, have you been doing it since you were 8 years old? Is that even possible? I know like schools these days do like I used to work as a substitute teacher, and they would teach some like coding principles to the kids, but it wasn't code. No, I do code since I'm 8. Oh. My family had a PC before me and I was outcast, so I did Google it and learned. Oh, that's nice. I mean, not that you were an outcast, but that you like learned stuff on your own. I always wonder how people get interested in code to begin with, or like computers and stuff. Because as a kid, I always had a computer, but it never like interested me that much, like the computer itself or programming. I guess I had a period where I tried, like downloaded Code Academy and kind of tried. But it was hard for me to like translate that into actual programs. And I think it still kind of is, like in our studies, I'm a second year. And a lot of the students I go with, they don't really build things on their own. So we're learning all of these things like algorithms and coding principles and different languages and stuff, but we don't actually build anything. So it becomes kind of like a huge gap between like what programming is used for in the real world and the stuff that we're learning. I mean, it's not terrible. It's still a good like baseline. But I find that kind of daunting sometimes. That is like I've been reading about this and practicing programming for like over a year, and then I still don't really know how to build programs from scratch. So yeah, I hope to get a lot more experience doing that in the future. I built a website from scratch, but that didn't use anything we've learned in our studies. So yeah, it feels kind of weird. It's like the gap between what we're gonna do as workers and what we're doing in our studies. Hello, Shuki! I'll have to buy some groceries. Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Thanks for stopping by. I'll be here for another hour probably, and then I'll hop off and see what I do with the rest of my day. Room looks cool, thank you. I tried my best. They didn't have a lot of assets that made sense for like an office situation, but I tried. In the future, maybe I'll make my own little blender things. Alright, then have a good evening. Probably won't be back in an hour. Alright. I'll probably stop by Discord or something in like super late. I won't be gone for long today. But yeah, you too have a good time. Well, my start story is a weird story. I was outcast. I wanted to be seen. But hell yeah, if I code, that will be cool as fuck and learn HTML than JS. At this moment, I notice it's not cool, no one cares, and it eats my life force, but it's too late. It's not too late, so I just rolled. Bye, Shuki! Yeah, I guess so. I think my motivation in life has also been a lot like the imagination that people will be like, holy shit, that's awesome. But I think it's important to like have internal motivations too, so like stuff that inspires you and stuff. But I wouldn't say it's too late. Like even if you're good at programming and stuff now, it's not like your life is set in stone. You can do whatever you want with it. And that stuff is gonna come in handy even if you go like the full programmer path or if you go another path, you know? If it eats your life force, it's probably time to take a little break from it. Now, I do code for fun. I love it, but I do music, hard magic, math, and physics too. Okay. Well, but what's the problem then? How does it eat at your life force if it's too late? Is it just too much? Too much programming? Has too much bugs to handle. Okay, so it's your particular project, I guess, that's a little draining. And I don't have any friends who codes beside me. I think going to university will probably help you with that. Yeah, I think it's probably very useful to have other people surrounding you that do the same. Not necessarily like friends, but just people in the real world to make it seem more real. Yeah, I get ready for uni while I do code. That's nice. So, for instance, my backstory is I went to art school and stuff because I wanted to be the #1 artist, the best that ever was. But then I kind of didn't enjoy my time in art school that much, so I've been exploring a lot of different paths, I guess, like career paths. But I have noticed that like your surroundings shape what you care about so much. Because like after I graduated from art school, I was like, I should probably just do something normal for a while and see what it feels like. So I started politics for a little while, and it took me like a month into politics. I was like deep into political science, and it was like all I could think about, and I read books about it, and I got like super involved in it. And I kind of just forgot about art. It like disappeared out of my mind. And then a few years later, I finally realized like, holy shit, I wanted to do art, and now my brain is all about this new thing. And that kind of scared me, so I went back to doing more art and stuff. And then sometime along the way, I realized I wanted to make video games for some reason. Because I love video games, and video games is a nice way of like combining something that's useful to society, which is like programming and technology, and the more artistic part where I can like express my feelings and ideas. Yeah. Trust me, if you have an art past, it's a big number of times easier to make games. Because many people who make games fail on assets, not on code. That's probably true. I do definitely feel like it comes in handy. Because like, even if, like the games I'm creating now with my friends, we're all very new to game creation, I guess. But it always looks very nice. And I think that sells the project in a lot. Even if like the gameplay and structure and the project is kind of newbie managed, I guess. But yeah, it's been super fun though. I love it a lot. Sometimes I think to myself like, did I commit to more than I can handle? Because game creation is like a mountain of work. But the community is so nice, and I've met so many cool people through it that I feel like it's gonna be worth it no matter what. There's many people who make games fail on assets, not on code. Oh wait, I already read that. Experience, I did make games and let them die because of assets. By the way, do you have Discord? I don't have a public facing Discord yet. I'll probably make one in the future. So like a dedicated Discord people can join. But for now I'm just gonna keep it private. Programming is nice if you don't enter Stack Overflow and Reddit. It is nice. Yeah. I haven't done, like, most of the programming I have been doing is building game systems, so I can't really tell what it's like building other things. But I imagine it would be fun too. You get super absorbed in it, right? That's kind of the nice thing. I like how once you start programming, it's kind of like you get sucked into like a void, and then time just passes. I think that's I guess they call it like flow state. Jokes aside, you can ask anyone and they will teach you more than you care. Like you can ask, how can I move this? And someone would answer in less than 1 hour, and it would be more than the official document. Oh yeah, I actually haven't tried. I always just ask ChatGPT, which probably has its own issues too. I've also heard a tip before that if you want to get good advice from like for free or whatever, or quickly, you should post bad code, and then a bunch of people will rush in trying to fix your code. Yeah. I think that's often better than like, hey, can you explain this to me? Because then sometimes people will just link to the documentation. Also, if you want fun, check sleep sort and Stalin sort. Is sleep sort the same as like miracle sort? Where you just await and then you check, is it sorted yet? Yeah. Let's see. For each number in the unsorted list, a separate thread or process is spawned within it. The task sleeps for a duration proportional to the value. Oh, okay. So it's sorted because the prints end up in the correct order. That's pretty funny. I wonder if there's ever like a video game that does this sort of thing. I remember I had a dream actually. This just sparked a memory of my dream where I was watching a YouTube video called like Toby Fox's Deltarune code is hilariously bad. And it was just like a video shitting on Toby Fox's code. I don't know why I would dream about such a mundane thing. Because it almost convinced me that was a real video. I know he's like known for not having the most optimal code or whatever, but it's still such a random dream. We are back. Alright, see you. I'm gonna lock in 2 minutes again, and then I'll do another 30 minutes. And then 10-minute break. and then 20 minutes, and then I'll probably yap a little bit before I leave. Yeah. So next up, yeah, we have 2 algorithms left, and then the fucking PNP stuff. This stuff, which I don't really understand. And then we're done. I feel like, yeah, I've kind of saved like the heaviest topics for last, so it's kind of hard for me right now. And for next week, I probably have to start working on my security course, because I've been kind of pushing that aside the whole time. I have to make some space for that too. But yeah, we'll see. I do enjoy exam period though, for some reason. I prefer it a lot to like the rest of the course or the rest of the semester. My hair is clipping through my arm, it's annoying me. Just because like in the rest of the semester I get really worried that I'm gonna miss important information for some reason. I don't know why I worry so much about it, because I never really do. But yeah. But an exam period is like, you have a very concrete goal, you know? But yeah, it's time to lock in. 30 minutes. So that means I won't be reading chat, as always. Welcome back. I just mentioned, because it's focus time, so I have a timer up here. So for 30 minutes I'll go quiet and not speak. So yeah, sorry about that. That's just how I'm gonna do it, because I need to study, you know. But I'll be back in 30 minutes to read chat and whatever, if you'll stick around. Yeah, nice. Alright. Good luck with your project. You know, yeah. I'll be quiet now. Okay, 4 minutes left. Oh! Break time, break time! Oh, there's some new new comments. Oh, my arm is going crazy. That's funny SFX. Yeah, it's built into my Pomodoro app here. Pokemon. I've been using it for so long, it's great. Let's read some comments. Some chats. The focus ends F, which is stuck at 137 for some reason. Oh yeah, I guess it's not too obvious, but this down here is like, it's keeping track of the session so far. So this is how long I've been in focus, this is how long I've been in break, and this is like the balance between them based on the settings I set up. And this is the counter that actually tracks how much time is left. And I should probably put it to 10 minutes. There you go. Now it's ticking down again and you'll hear the funny alarm. Yeah. So that's why it keeps increases. Oh yeah, which app is Pokemon? I'll type it out because I love it so much. You can focus and then you unlock little like fake Pokemon. Super good service. I might donate some money just because of how much I've been using it. But yeah, you asked which language do you learn for programming, C# or C++ or anything else? So far we did Python for one semester and then Java for the second semester, and then this semester we're kind of not programming anymore. This algorithm course is doing pseudocode, which is kind of, I guess it's kind of Python-esque, or Python is kind of pseudocode-esque. Yeah, and then on my spare time I usually use GDScript because it's Godot that also looks like Python, and then I've learned some C#, which is similar to Java. Ew, Python. Don't shake a stick at Python. It's nice for prototyping and stuff. It's just a slow language, but it's very convenient for building ideas and testing things. And yeah, I like Java, by the way, not gonna lie. Yeah, I guess Java is okay. It was okay. It wasn't too bad, but I don't know. They say the world needs more Java programmers. Yeah, I used a lot of C# in summertime this year because I had like a hobby project. And I think I preferred that to Java. It's very similar syntactically. You just have some extra newer tools and stuff. But yeah, I do hate Python for no particular reason, I just do. A lot of people hate the indent stuff and the lack of semicolons. I would also prefer semicolons, by the way, I like to, yeah. I know it, but I didn't even list it in my page. I hate it that much, damn. Oh, it's like, no, I don't know Python. But a lot of employers are like, oh, we want Python experience. But I feel like if you're experienced in most of the other ones, I think Python will come pretty naturally to most people. It's a nice website. Listing your hardware, so you're aiming to get like missions, or what's it called? Like work from home style clients. Or is it commissions, maybe? I don't know. A developer without a target is lost, and I am lost in the deepest space. If you're aiming to get work, you probably shouldn't say things like this. You should be like, I love programming and I'm very friendly and I love people. But yeah, it's a vibe though. If it's just for fun, then it's cool. Generally make quality of life and CLI tools, but honestly I make everything. Check out my projects. Let's check out your projects. Tutorial game. I would show my website, but it has my real full name too many times, so I can't show it off. But it's pretty good. I like it. None of these are done. That's fine. I think it's better to, like, even just having your website up is kind of it's already a project. Cool. Everything you read on projects is pulled from GitHub, not written. So if I update GitHub or make a release, it will auto-update too. Oh. Okay. Interesting. Is there a link to the GitHub? I also host their GitHub, if that's what you mean, or is it more dynamic, so it like checks your projects and updates the readme and stuff? Fun stats. Yeah, nice. I do want to explore more programming languages in the future, but I have this game project that I have to finish until March, and I really have to prioritize that, so I'm probably not going to learn any more languages before March. I'll stick to GDScript and Godot. But in spring we do have this project in university where we're supposed to build a weather app with this like weather API. But we'll probably not use anything that we haven't used before, so it'll probably be pretty like Python and Java heavy. Oh, and I've also been learning SQL this semester, so probably maybe next week or maybe the week after I'll have to start practicing SQL, because it's like, SQL doesn't seem that difficult to me. It just seems like kind of you get used to it. Yeah. SQL is nice if you are SQLing. Yeah, I am. I have followed like the lectures and everything, but I've kind of been lazy with practicing it. But there's nothing so far that I didn't understand, but obviously like getting an intuition for when to use what tools and in what order and stuff is gonna take some practice. But the subjects I'm dreading the most this year is this computer, what is it called? Security course, because that's it's very much a book course where it's just like memorizing terms and concepts. I prefer most topics that are more logic based than memory based. Because if it's logic based, then I can get an intuition for it, but if it's memory based, then I don't know. There's something about it. I don't have the best memory, I think. And I find memorizing to be an extremely boring task. So if it's like programming and stuff, it's not super fun. But if once I focus, and my mind is just about solving the task. But just memorizing, my brain just wants to escape and do something else. So we'll see how it goes. But I really want to get an A in this subject, because I think it would be kind of a flex. It's known as like one of the more difficult subjects. So I'm aiming for an A, but in the security one, I don't mind getting like a C, honestly. But I probably shouldn't neglect it too much. When I go to uni, I will just sleep. Yeah, maybe you'll have a lot. Like, since you have experience from before, you'll probably handle the pure programming courses very easily. But I mean, depending on what you've done so far, and depending on your course, of course, there might be a lot of like computer related things that could be new to you. I don't know, stuff like networking and security principles and UI stuff. You know, like accessibility principles and shit like that, which is the part I dislike the most, because it's like reading. But yeah. I design my own CPU, my own algorithms, my own frameworks. I did work with networks and cybersecurity. So I won't be good at graphical user interface. Okay, and then yeah, if you worked with the networks and stuff, then you'll probably have a good leg up. Just important to not get too hung up on being in front of everyone, I think. Because then it can start getting very scary once people start catching up. So I remember when I went to art school for the first time, I had really like I was super nerdy about it before I started, so I was kind of ahead of my class. But after a year or so, like, your class starts catching up, because it's a very steep learning curve in the beginning, and then it kind of flattens out, like the curve. So it's just important to not get too hung up on being better than everyone, I guess. But obviously, like, being prepared isn't a bad thing. Now I'll always train more than more. It's never enough knowledge. Yeah, that's a good mindset. Also, yeah, many aspects to making good software. I'm very passionate about like UI and UX, cause like, oops, oh, the timer's out. When it all comes to it, we're making programs for people, right? So it needs to be like, even if the code is like perfect and optimized, doesn't really matter if the users can't use your program or if they get frustrated and use something else, you know? Yeah, there is always better, hell yeah. So yeah, the timer's up, so I'll start my final session. Oh shit. Oh yeah, okay, we're actually good on time. I'll do a quicker one. I'll do a 25-minute one. And then my study day is over, and I'll stick around and yap a little bit before I have to go. So yeah, good Zen modes. Oh, you gotta go? Alright, thanks for stopping by. It was super nice. Good luck on your projects going forward. See ya. See ya. And I'll go into focus. 3, 2, 1. I'll come to time to time. Thank you. That would be nice. Alright. Bye. 25. 3, 2, 1, go. What's happening? Stop! No, that's wrong. There we go. Fucking finally! Finally! Nice, that was my last session. Let's take a look at our stats. Actually, yeah, that's kind of annoying. I'm missing 1 minute from getting 2.5 hours. Whoopsie. Let me check this thing. Yeah, so then it's just break forever, I guess. It's gonna mess with my stats if I keep letting it run, though. Yeah, that was 2.5 hours in focus and then 1 hour in break. That's not great, but it's not terrible either. I don't mind taking a little bit too much break, because it keeps you going for longer, right? And also, I mean, you don't want to torture yourself for no reason, right? Usually for a full study day, I would aim for... Whoops, shut the fuck up, stop it. I would usually aim for at least 4 hours in focus when it's like exam season, and then potentially 6 hours in focus if it's like really getting close. Yeah, I realized if I don't study in the weekend, I'll only have like 4 days to learn all of this stuff. That's not a lot. So we'll see how it goes. But yeah, next week I'll probably just put a quarantine on every other project in my life, and I'll try to really lock in. Because it's like, yeah, at least now I've gone through the whole curriculum, but it's not like it comes supernaturally, and there's still a lot of things that I can vaguely understand it, but I don't have a full good intuition for it. So yeah. Next week, I'll probably be back streaming on Sunday a little bit. I want to play a video game. Maybe I'll play like one of the FMVs or something on Sunday. Maybe I'll study a little bit too, but I should probably take like a... Oops. Just for funsies day where I don't have responsibilities. We'll see though. Wow, this was surprisingly nice, and a lot of people stopped by from time to time. I think it's always nice to work together with people, but like I mentioned earlier, it can be kind of hard for me to work with people in real life because I get so distracted by it. But here, it's like everything is on my terms, and I'm trying to be strict with the timers and everything. Let me end this actually. Finish. Yay, and then you get points. Probably show off Pokemon a little bit. Yeah, so now it's kind of in like phone mode, I guess, so I don't really know the UI, but you can check out your Pokemon you've collected here. They're like little Pokemon-like creatures that you collect as you progress. And everything is like based around just visiting the website every day, and then you get points and unlockables from recording your time in focus. And yeah, I've been using it for at least over a year. Though mostly on exam periods. Usually in the semester I don't need this, or it's kind of hard to keep track of, but for exam it's really, really nice. So yeah, you open the portal, you get a little gift, and then you can buy stuff, and then you can pick your Pokemon, and you can level them up. You can have like set goals for them too, like this one. It asks me every day, did you do game development yesterday? And then I can answer yes or no. And if I answer yes, then I get a gold star. And if you get enough gold stars, then you get a shiny Pokemon. And if you get a shiny Pokemon, then you can evolve your Pokemon, I think. So yeah, it's a fun way to gamify your study session. Really, really recommend it. But yeah, I should probably round it off there. Thanks so much to everyone who stopped by on YouTube and Twitch. It was super nice to see so many people and hear about your projects and everything. So I'll definitely do this again. I don't know how much, because I do feel like I got a lot of stuff done, but I also feel like it's a little extra tiring to study while streaming, because there's like more things to keep track of and things that can go wrong. And I feel like I spend my breaks chatting with people in chat instead of like going around and taking a break. But I don't know, I can do a little bit of it. So for next week, because it's like full exam grindset week, I'll probably do it for a few hours, like stream maybe half the day, and then the rest of the day I'll study off stream. But I have to check my energy levels to be realistic about it. But yeah, thanks so much for stopping by. I'll be back. See you. Yeah, wait. There you go. I should probably like look at the camera. I don't really know where it is though. But yeah, thank you so much. See you. It was fun. Very productive. Bye.